Hi guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to share threads posts on Instagram. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So first, what we're going to do is to simply open our Threads application in our mobile device. Now we're going to simply choose a post. Say for example, we're gonna have this post and click on the share button. Now hit on add to story afterwards once you've clicked on the share button. So the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to simply see the post here on your Instagram story and you will be routed right there. Now hit on your story, or you could also opt to choose close friends. And basically that's how you create a thread on Instagram. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful.